I'm Dilitra Rajpaksha. Let me explain about phase 3 updates. We have we have document all the new adds into the README file, and you can see after cloning the repository, you can import the dump file. Uh, Also, like before, because of the same thing, I'm not going to explain that again. Regarding the ML service setup, you have to create a virtual environment before installing the required requirements. After that, other uh, things are same. Now I move to inspection user interface. This is how inspection UI looks like. Now I'm going to add the inspection. Okay, we can edit the inspection using this button. And first of all, I will add the anomaly image, spot image, on something using this button. Let's see how our model work. We can set the threshold here. Set it like set one, identify three anomalies. Here, I'm going to remove one box. This one, and also we can approve boxes like that. You can see all the information required in the phase three displayed here. Uh, Time stamps and the user information. And also you can add some notes related to that inspection. All those annotated annotation inspection going to the inspection history. These are some inspection from previous and current annotation ones. You can see the AI detection one, box edited, box approve, rejected one. All the history will be recorded here. And I will show you how manually annotation can do. I will kind of box here. You can see that one added to that here. Can add notch. So and you can see the all the information related to that one. Also, you can delete that box. Yeah, and those information also uh, will be in the inspection history. Now I will add another box to the fine tune process. Also, you can edit those boxes, resize, and also can be later. You can see all the data is updated. Also, you can see the confidence score here. Then also, if you are going to use another image, you can remove the image from here. I'm going to save it. I will just do the function. You can see all the information related to this process will be downloaded as a JSON file. Here you can see the JSON file, all the information, what are their coordinates, and all the coordinates and data will be generated here. Then using those information, we are generating an augmented data set. These are those augmented data set you can see there. And and using this data set and some sample of data set from the original data set, we are going to do the fine tuning part. You can see the labels here. We can see the fine tuning is already start. Um, You can see the losses has been reduced. So it's been successfully 10 process happened. And our data will be saved here. These are one important function, main function. Uh, this will generate all the dataset required uh, for this process using those feedback JSON file. You can see that uh, fine-tuning process have been finished, and let's see, sorry, working fine or not. Yes, here I will remove this image, clarify whether things fine-tuning was successful or not. Another image. Mm, let's reduce the threshold. Let's see. There's a You can see three anomalies has been identified. Mm, let's add another image and check whether it is working fine. Yeah, it's looking fine. And you can see also we have add some notes. We can add some notes related to this inspection and also add some comments. Okay. You can also use zoom and zoom in, zoom out buttons also recent value. And you can finish the inspection using this done button. Then we will direct let it transform. And you can also go back to the inspection.